Our program here at Cypress College is the only school in California that is NATEF certified. What that means is that we train with ICAR curriculum, and we're held to strict standards on the training. It's the same database of questions that they use for ASE. So when our students, soon-to-be technicians, go out and do ASE testing, that they're doing the same tests that the ASE technicians are doing. So we cover everything from estimating what's it going to cost to fix it, to how to apply the color on the car, how to fix the frame if it's got frame damage of the structural class, to body panel repairs, from plastic filler repair all the way up to changing out a whole front end of a car and how to make it line up properly.
We have really helpful teachers that stop and they'll help you out whenever you need help. All the classes, they break it up in a good schedule, so there's night and day. They're really patient with you. They'll sit down and help you out. So.
This is my first semester, but I already feel like I'm building a lot of knowledge, and I come in even when I'm not having class just to learn extra because the teacher allows that. So I feel by the time I finish all my classes, I'll be well prepared to go out into the working world.
I'd recommend them definitely to come here first before they go out to those really expensive ones, because I think that they'll learn just as much in this class. The instructors have a lot to do with it, because I've been to quite a few training stuff, and the instructors, they have a big part in how much you're going to learn and how good you're going to be. I definitely I tell them to come here first, check it out, see what it's all about, and sit through a couple classes, and pretty sure they'll be really interested.